Zucchini is tastier than meat. Healthy and incredibly delicious. Let's start by grating half a zucchini. I love zucchini recipes, they're delicious and healthy. Let me know if you like zucchini recipes too. Place the zucchini in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now let's grate a carrot. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Remove the excess water from the zucchini before placing the carrot in the bowl. We can now add the grated carrot, 2 grated potatoes, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese or the cheese of your choice, 2 eggs, chives to taste, 1 crushed clove of garlic, black pepper to taste. Mix everything together very well. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video, so I know you liked it. In a frying pan, add a little oil. Then I'll make small portions and put them in the pan to fry. Here at home, there's no shortage of zucchini. It's simply delicious. Make this recipe at home and let me know what you think. Fry until golden brown on both sides. And our zucchini recipe is ready, easy, and super nutritious. Thanks for watching. See you next time and bon appetit!